Again, left 6 minus long, 70. Right 6 plus over crest, 100. Small crest, right 6 short, 180. Right 6 plus. Again, right 6 plus into small crest, 120. Right 6 short, 100. Left 6 plus, very long, 280. Again, 280. Left 6 plus long, 400. Again, left 6 plus long, 400. End of 400 is right 6 plus, extra long. Again, right 6 plus, extra long, 280. End of 280 is left 6 long into virtual chicane. Again, left 6 long into virtual chicane. There's the 300, there's the 200, there's the 100. Brake, 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 go. Right 6 very long, 80. Right 6 over crest into small dip. Again into small dip. 60, left 6 plus long. Into small crest, right 6 plus. And kinks over 500. Into 500 is right 6 long. Again, right 6 long, 140. Right 6, 50, left 5 plus. Again, left 5 plus, 160. Right 6 plus, very long, 120. Right 6 plus, and kinks over 200. Right 6 minus, 50, left 6 long over crest into dip. Again, left 6 long into dip, 200. Right 6 plus long, 100. Left 5 plus. Again, left 5 plus, 100. Stay right over crest, into left 5. Stay right over crest, left 5. Again, left 5.
Oh, shit, sorry.
300. Left 6 short, 50. Blind left 5 plus. Again, 50. Blind left 5 plus. Into small crest, right 6 short, 100. Right 6 and crest, 160. And a 160 is left 6 plus, 100. Dip, 100. Right 6 plus and stay left over crest. Again, stay left over crest. And kinks over 120. Left 6, 120. Left 6 minus over skew bump. Again, left 6 minus over skew bump. And kinks over 350. Brake left 3 plus late. There's your left 3 plus late.
Got it.
Again, left 3 plus late, 70. Left 3 plus long. Again, left 3 plus long, 100. Small jump into right 4. Again, small jump into right 4 and left 5 plus. Again, left 5 plus, right 3 minus. Again, right 3 minus, very long. Into small crest. Into right 6 plus long. 50, left 6 minus. 80, another left 6 minus. And small crest into small jump, right 5 plus. There's your small crest and small jump, right 5 plus long. Into left 6 short. Again, left 6 short. Into right 5. Again, right 5. 80, long crest, 450. End of 450 is brake, left 5 long. Again, left 5 long. There's your left 5 long, 80. Left 6 plus, 70. Right 6, 120. Left 6 short over small crest into right 6, into double caution. Stay left over blind crest. Again, double caution. Stay left over blind crest into right 5 minus. Again, into right 5 minus. 200. Caution. Right 6, stay left over cattle guard. And brake into chicane left enter. Again, chicane left enter. into left 6 plus, tighten 6 short, into right 6 short, and kinks over 500, left 6, into brake and turn right 4. See the turn right 4 down there?
Kinda.
Yeah.
I see it, I see it.
And there's your turn right 4. Into crest, into right 6 short, into left 4 plus. Again, left 4 plus. 50. Left 5 minus into dip. Into right 4 long, opens. Again, right 4 long, opens. 160. Left 5 minus. 80. Left 6 into right 5 off camber long. Again, off camber long. 60, left 4 minus long. Again, left 4 minus long. And right 4 long. 100. Right 5 short. Into left 4 plus long. Again, left 4 plus long. 60. Left 5 minus. 120. Caution, narrow right 4 minus on tarmac, into double caution, left 4 long. Again, double caution, left 4 long. 100. Right 6 over skew crest, 80, right 4 plus. Again, right 4 plus, 50. Right 4, into left 4 minus. Again, left 4 minus. 30. Kink into right 6, 60, left 5 into caution, right 4 down over big crest. Again, caution, right 4 down over big crest, 120. Right 6 into left 6 plus late over crest, opens and tightens 4 plus. Again, opens and tightens 4 plus, 80. Right 6, 80. Right 6 tightens 4 minus. Again, going to tighten 4 minus. 70. Left 6 minus. 100. Left 5 minus. Into stay right over small crest. Into left 6 short. Into right 5 long. Into left 5 plus. Again, left 5 plus. Opens and tightens 5 plus over crest. And right 6 minus long opens into crest, 80 left 6 plus, 200, right 5 plus over finish into left 5 plus long. Good job, sir. Whoop.
That was kind of fast.